Hi, welcome to another Christmas DIY. So you'll need yarn, crochet hook, embroidery needle and design pattern which is in the description. Let's start with a slip knot. Grab the longer end of the yarn, make a loop, place the long end under the loop, hold on to the shorter end with a crochet hook, pull the yarn through, and this is your slip knot. Now let's chain 4. To chain, grab the yarn with the hook and pull through the loop to create your first chain. Grab the yarn and pull through the loop, that's number 2. Let's make 2 more chains. That is, grab the yarn and pull through. Total, you'll need 4 chains. To join this and create a circle, we will slip stitch. Through the first chain, pull the yarn and pull through the loop on the hook to join and make it a circle. Now we'll start working into the center of the circle. Let's chain 3. That is, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. That's chain 1. Grab the yarn and pull through. And one more time, grab the yarn and pull through. Next we shall double crochet into the circle. To double crochet, yarn over the hook and into the circle, pull the yarn. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops and again grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. So that's your double crochet. Into the circle, let's do another double crochet. Yarn over and pull through, creating 3 loops on the hook. Now pull the yarn through 2 loops. And again pull through 2 loops. And then chain 2. So this is one cluster, that is 3 double crochets and 2 chains. Let's repeat the same process 4 more times. That is, into the center of the circle, make 3 double crochets and 2 chains. So in total 5 times. To finish off this level, we will slip stitch. That is, on top of the chain 3 from the first cluster, pull the yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. Final step, chain 6, grab the yarn with the hook and pull through the loop 6 times. Skip the first chain from the hook and into the second chain make a single crochet. That is, grab the yarn through the second chain. You will have 2 loops. Again grab the yarn and pull through both the loops to create a single crochet. Onto the third chain, make a half double crochet. That is, yarn over the hook, pull the yarn through chain 3. You will have 3 loops on the hook and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. That's half double crochet. On chain 4, make a double crochet. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops and again grab and pull through 2 loops. On chain 5 and 6, you'll make a treble crochet. Treble crochet, yarn over twice, pull the yarn through chain 5. You'll have 4 loops. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. Again grab the yarn, pull through 2 and again grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. So repeat the same process, that is treble crochet, on chain 6 as well. Yarn over twice, you'll have 4 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2, and grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Now you have created a small triangle. To join this, in the chain 2 space from the previous level, make a slip stitch. That is, pull the yarn through chain 2 space and through the loop on the hook, and it will be attached and it creates the first star pointer. So now you'll do 4 more such small triangles to create a star. Let's repeat the process. Chain 6. Skip first chain from the hook. In the second chain, do a single crochet. In the third chain, a half double crochet. In the fourth chain, a double crochet. And in the fifth chain, a treble crochet. And another treble crochet in the sixth chain. And join this little triangle to chain 2 space with the slip stitch. Repeat it for 3 more times and finish off with a slip stitch into chain 2 space. Pull the yarn through the loop, cut the yarn, remove the loose end and tighten the yarn. To fasten off, thread the loose end into the yarn needle on the back of the project. Weave back and forth a couple of times to secure the yarn and chop off the extra yarn. Repeat for the other loose end as well. Sometimes it will curl up, don't worry. Just pull the pointers out gently or flatten using wet block method. Use twine or S hooks to hang the crochet stars. So there you have your crochet Christmas star to hang on the tree or attach this applique onto your bag, beanies or jackets. I hope you would try this. Until next time, ciao!